Okay, so just bought this Ridgid vacuum 18 volt. I have a whole bunch of 18 volt tools and a lot of batteries. Here's one. So I just got this. It shows on the website for $49, in the store it's $59. There's another $10. Don't know why, but I'm going to investigate that. Okay, I want to show you the difference between the two handheld Ridgid models they have out. Now, on the left side, this is the one that we're talking about, and this is the newer model. And on the right side, this is the older model. And as you can see with the star rating, not that great reviews. And I would imagine maybe it's not as powerful or some sort of weird design. You see the handle is vertical, up and down. And on the new one, it goes forward. So visually, that's the difference. The older one on the right was a bit cheaper. This one's a little bit more money. And so that is the difference. But anyway, so this is unboxing and a quick review. And so it looks like it comes with a long downspout. It comes with a little kind of like a brush tube, wide mouth to add to it. These are accessories. It has the crevice tool. Let's see, a clip and the instructions. Oh, okay, here's where this clip goes. It just slides over here. And it's just so you don't lose the crevice tool. So you can keep the crevice tool in here. And your basic vacuum extension here. This way everything's all in one piece. That's what this is for. Now, what I always do with Ridgid, and one of the main reasons why I get Ridgid products is the lifetime warranty. But the trick is, you have to register it to get the lifetime warranty, because if you don't, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. And it shows it here, because you may look at the box and say, what is it, a 3-year or a lifetime? It's a lifetime if you register it. You got to have the receipt to prove the purchase. So anyway, that will be in another video. I should have the link to that video up somewhere in the description, or at the end of this video, you'll see it. Anyway, so, okay, so it takes the 18 volt series batteries, and we're just going to slide this baby on. Let's check the power. This is the other thing I like about the Ridgid tools. It has an indicator of how much battery is left. And so out of 4, we got 3. And we're going to throw this baby on. Okay, slid on there, not too bad. And then not bad. And let's see, how do you open it? Okay, so I guess this this is where the dirt collects, or the debris. This comes with a filter. I guess this is consumable. This one looks like you can clean it, and it has a fabric one over it. I think some people don't use the fabric one just to get a little more suction power, but I'm not too sure about that. I'm going to have to use it. So this just goes in and twists a bit. All right, and let's put this back on. So it seems like it snaps pretty well. So there you go. The only thing I would say would be nice on this is an LED light, which it doesn't have. Suction feels good, and you know, it as far as annoying breeze does blow out the side. So, but it doesn't blow up in your face, which is nice, unless you have this sideways. Okay, so here's a little follow-up. I actually used this on a construction site and vacuumed up some sheetrock dust, which is probably the most challenging for this, and I'll show you why. Okay, you press this button, this comes off. This is what you empty the canister, which is nice and convenient. There's 2 filters. Here's the main one, and you just twist this, pull it off. It's not the easiest thing to get on over it. And then inside here you have a sleeve, and this is what gets clogged up quickly when you're doing sheetrock dust, and that can really hinder the performance. They do sell these like a 3-pack, and yeah, you can burn through these pretty quick. I think some people actually take this. Now this is a mesh screen. Let me knock out some of the dust here. It's a mesh screen, and this is the main one. Now I think they recommend using this always, so as to protect the motor more, but I think some people actually use this only, and it's actually easy to put this on and off without this sleeve. So it's up to you. You can try it both ways, but if you're just using this, you're going to find a lot more vacuum power as opposed to just the sleeve. Now the other thing I don't like about this sleeve, the inner boot, is it makes it a little bit more tough to get this on, and you really have to, you know, get into it and press so you can move this into locking position. And just a slight twist to actually get it, you know, caught on. But you kind of like gotta mess around with it. Without that little sock, it's a lot easier. But anyway, press down and a little twist, and then you get it on. And there you go. And I use a larger battery for this. It does seem like it'll burn through batteries kind of quickly, but I haven't got an actual time frame on how quick a battery will run down. But if you're going to use it quite a bit, I recommend the larger capacity battery. I think this is the 6 amp hour. So there you go. That's a quick review, unboxing of the Ridgid 18-volt hand vacuum. Purchased at Home Depot. You can get it online too, and I'll have a link somewhere in the description too. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it if you give a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.